Hello guys, so we are seeing from the past two sessions how to achieve the catchy in our application. So here I just set the duration for 2 hours around 78 minutes. So that is actually my view page is catched completely for 2 hours. It's just holding the same catchy. So even see my page load also very efficient, because my even my local system's RAM is very slow. It takes minimum of a minute to load the page, but see, due to the cache it's loading fast. So that request I am tracking by using the fiddler tool, so it's responding really very well. uh, so this is my cache experience that I am getting. on sec on second, I just run the, because I tried a lot of okay, let me go on the try loading the, okay, just refresh the page. Okay, so it's my page is actually loaded from the cache. So this is a version of a cache. Okay, so it's just disabled because there is no response. It's not going and hitting into anywhere, because I'm not getting the real HTTP URL. So this is actually the URL, but so this is took from the cached version. So let me go and remove my cached version and put it 10 seconds, so that we will get the recent version of my URL get refreshed, and it will be added in the browser, because it is on requesting the URL, it won't be a request, so it will be like 304 result. So this will directly hit my cache and just loading. So this holding from past 2 hours. So it's not going to hit my server it's not going requesting to my server. So it's directly catch from the it's taking from my cache memory. Okay, fine. So my application is built. Just try rebuild now. So today what we are planning to discuss, let rebuild, it's bit take time. So today we are planning is, so where to save my cache data, uh, especially for this particular page. Okay, so there is a lot of version of cache memories. So normally if you want to store some static pages, so that page only I need to catch for the particular user. So you can enable the location to save in your client place, means a client browser only. So if suppose that page I need to catch to for the all the users, so then you can go ahead and save in your server. And likewise a lot of option that we have to where to store the cached memory. So this is my cached memory. This will now refresh in every 10 seconds. So I just kept only that 10 seconds duration. So see, now I got the 200 request. So because every 10 second it will go on the request the page. So if you see here, this is my request. So every 10 second it's go on the hitter to hits my server and get the response for that. So if you see that, so I set it the maximum age is 10 second for the every, so every 10 seconds it will be 200. So 200 request, it is go and hit the server and pick the URL. So before we saw like this like very disabled gray type, this is 304. 304 is actually the result it's take from the cookie. So you can understand how the difference. So today I going to show you how to set up sorry, where to set up the cookie. The catch cached memory where you know you need to apply. So it's very simple. There is a attribute that we added, so add one more parameter called location. So in this location you can set the location. Okay. Okay, output cache location. So this is our output cache location under here. So here you have the options like this. Okay, so here it has an option like any client to downstream, none, servant client. What it is actually, any means anywhere it will be depend on the your memory. So if its server memory is full, it will store in a client, or so anywhere. So downstream, what is a downstream? See, suppose the particular URL or if it is a intranet, your application is accessed by the intranet, so by proxy the people are using. So if you give the downstream, so on a proxy it will be cached. So this is the client and server is based on you hosted the application in the server, web server. Fine. So here you only if you select the server, it will be cached in your server. So what is the benefit of the selecting the server is, if multiple user are requesting the same page, it will be cached in the server, so it will respond quickly because cache memory is stored in your server. But if you save in the client, so it will save in your browser cookie. Browser cache means the client machine. So the one cached that particular page is cached in the one user, it won't reflect the same. So again it will be cached in the different session in a different place. So that is things. So none if you select, so nowhere do the cache. And default, so this page I needed for the client, so I just do that. So by setting this, my cache will be stored in the client place. Hopes you understand. So this is the way to set the location. Please set the location and try and how the things are working fine. So let me build my application again. So if you see here, so on the bubbly public HTTP 1.0, so this response may be cached by the any resource, because any cache, so any cache it will be applied. So that is what it's responding, because so I didn't set any location. So now, okay, my application is built, I hope so. Okay, just refresh the page. Okay, these are all the empty request. Okay, let's wait for to completely load my request. Yes, it is loaded now. So this cache, okay, so just check the latest version. So if you see here, in the private, the response must not be cached by the shared location, because yes, this is stored in my client machine, so it is responding me like that. So every 10 seconds it will got expire. This is what the present situation of the cache. So you can see the more details in the fiddler tool. Hopes you understand. So this is a way to set the location. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you have any doubt, queries, please comment us. Please subscribe our channel to get more updates.